Hey everyone, Salesforce Shorts here. In this video, we're just going to talk about serializing and deserializing basically JSON or Apex code. So we can probably just do all of this straight from the anonymous window. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. So first thing we're going to do is let's just create like a basic account. So we'll just call this account ACC equals new account, and let's give it a name of my account O1. Yeah, it's probably not the best name, but okay, I'm just gonna use that. So next thing we want to do is basically to serialize it. Serialize will sort of put it into like a JSON sort of format. So I'm just gonna call this, just create a new string, call this serialized, and here all we want to do is do JSON dot serialize. So once you hit JSON dots, you get a few different options. So JSON dot, you'll see all the different stuff. So you can do deserialize, serialize, everything from here. So we're just going to serialize this object that we've got, okay? So just put that in there and go boom. And next step is all we need to do is put in a little system debug. Probably don't even need the quotes. We're just going to put our serialized string in there and let's see what happens. Log will stay open. And go debug, and cool. Now you can see it's serialized our account. So if we had more info, obviously it would have more values in there. But yeah, that's a nice easy way to serialize your object. All right, so let's go back to our anonymous window here. So now that we've got that, let's do a deserialization as well quick. So let's go string. Actually, best way to do this is let's go in here and just copy basically what we've got here. So well, actually we'll do something different. Let's go string serialized. Let's remove all of that stuff we had before. So now we're just trying to do it basically the other way around. So I'm just gonna go name. The syntax for this kind of stuff can always be a little bit confusing, or it is to me at least. So let's call this one account serialized. And put our closing bracket there. I think that is sort of correct. And colon. So yeah, okay, yeah, sort of makes sense. We've got our single quote, so everything's in a string, and then now we've just got our basic name, which is fine. Now the next step would be to create an account, and let's just call that account. Now we'll do JSON dot deserialize. So for this one here, let's use let's just have a look at our options here. Let's try and use the first one. So we'll put our string in here, which is serialized. Obviously did not even spell that right at all, hey? Alright, I think that's correct. I don't even know. Serialized. I think that's right. Alright, but yeah, we'll just leave it as that. So back to what we're trying to do. So we put in our string there, and then all we want to do here is just put account dot class, hit semicolon, and let's do our little system debug here. System dot debug, and inside of this, let's go acc dot name. Alrighty, so let's give that a shot, see if that works. Go to debug, and alright, cool. So account serialized. So yeah, that's how you can basically deserialize and serialize JSON code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and check out our other videos. So yeah, as you can see, we've got our account name there, and yeah, that is pretty much it.